Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create partition in Windows 11. And I will show you this as quick as possible. Alright, first of all we need to search for disk management, and they call it now create and format hard disk partition, so click on that. And then right now you can exactly see the space that you have on your PC. And right now what you want to do with that space is click here on your main disk, and from there we do right mouse click and then do shrink volume. Right now he is checking the space that we have, so this can cost you a few seconds. So right now we have exactly the details and information that we need. Right now I have 132 gigabytes free to create a new partition with, but keep in mind you need to fill in your size or your megabytes. So right now I want to create a 30,000 megabyte, like 30 GB disk. So what we want to do now is we want to shrink this. So right now what you can see right here is the space that we shrink is 29.3 gigabytes, and it's unallocated. So right now what we need to do is click right mouse on it and then click on new simple volume. Right now, welcome to the new simple volume wizard. Now we do next. This is exactly the size that we want. Right now we call it anything that you want. I want the I from YouTube. Then we do next. Then right now, please keep every setting like this, but right now you can give it a name. So let's say I created YouTube and I do next and I do finish. He just created here a new drive called YouTube with the letter I. So right now, this is exactly how you can create partition in Windows 11. And if this video helps you out, please give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.